हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू ओपिनियंस। आज अपन जो बात करेंगे वो थोड़ा अपन आउट ऑफ द कॉन्टेक्स्ट टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करेंगे, ठीक है ना। सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट इट। ओके, लाइक टुडे आई फेल्ट इट एंड आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ लाइक आई शुड शूट फॉर दिस थिंग। ओके, इट जस्ट केम फ्रॉम समवेयर एंड आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ इट। सो या, लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट इट। सो टुडे आई विल टॉक अबाउट nurses. So what are nurses? Who are they people? Like who they are? कौन होती है nurses? So if we Google the definition ना, it will be like these are the people who are trained or educated to serve, to help the sick people, most probably in hospital. Like this will be the Google definition. Okay, but actually चीज़ क्या है? What is the thing? Like nurse होती कौन है? Like if I'll tell you in my words ना, who is a nurse, then I'll say like someone जिसका profession लोगों की like when they need that kind of support ना, उस time पे they used to support them people, like they used to support people. This is their profession. Okay, लोगों की सेवा करना ही is like their profession. Okay, but in reality at this point of time, in this generation in 2022, like I have heard this thing, like it came to me, I heard this thing, like people used to disrespect them, like their attendants, the patients they treat, like in the environment they have been taught about nursing, they have been treated as disrespecting, like people used to say about the nursing profession like अरे लाइक इसका तो वो नीट क्लियर नहीं हो पाया एंड जिसमें आया उसमें घुस गई। आई हैव read this thing on Quora. I'll get the link and I'll paste that link into the description. Okay, so I have read the column. Okay, it was mentioned कि that girl was like telling, she was like इसका तो मेडिकल में भी नहीं हुआ, इसका कहीं भी नहीं हुआ, सो कहीं पे भी घुस गई. It was kind of that thing, and I felt it bad, like it's a time to change, like thinking should be changed, our perception should be changed about this profession. Okay, people used to get 10,000, 20,000, 15,000 for 12 hours working. Like can you imagine, for the 12 hours they are getting only this much stipend, only this much salary for serving people, for helping people, and still they are not respected. Then अपन जिसको respect ही नहीं करे, we are not even respecting their profession, how it will be like fruitful for us, right? Is like we, if this generation will not respect them, then who will? Think about it. Like we should not think them like they are the failures of NEET. We must think them they are the achievers who just accepted their fact and they just started preparing for the same, and they are just coming back, they are just trying to fight back, like we must not think about them. Like I heard it from people, like there was a person who just mentioned them about they are characterless. Like seriously, how? Like they are serving you and still you are thinking about them like they are characterless. I mean, is it what you have been up to? Like this is the level of thinking in like education now, where they are educated for the same, for this profession. There also like the equality kind of thing, there is a difference between the guys or the people who are in MBBS and the persons who are pursuing nursing. There is a big gap. There are a lot of differences that these people face, and these differences must be, I must say they must be, हटा देने चाहिए इनको. There shouldn't be any difference, because this profession is the integral part of this ecosystem, right? Of this whole hospitalization and all that stuff ecosystem. If they will not be there, if they will not be treated equally, if they will not be treated in dignified way, how will they be able to serve them like willingly? Nobody is going to choose this profession willingly if they will not be treated as like dignified persons, right? In India, mostly 90% of nurses are women, right? So directly, if we are disrespecting a nurse, we are disrespecting a woman. And don't you think that is it ethical? Absolutely it is not ethical, right? So my whole agenda was to put light on this kind of thing, so that we must, like, at least even if a bit of our thinking will change now, this my video will be, like, I'll be contented for sure. Because like nursing staff is the most, they have been like the people who are being scolded a lot in comparison to their other mates, right, other colleagues. So still people are choosing this profession just because they wanted to serve people. They aren't like, obviously in 10,000 who is going to be happy? Nobody is going to be happy, right? But they are still choosing this profession because they love to serve people, they love to help them, they love to care for them, right? They are the masters. Nurses are the masters, our counselors, our teachers. They teach us a lot of things, how to take care of person, right? I have also read a story, another on Quora. It was like, there was a shit in a bowl of a father, and the son was like, I'm not gonna clean the bowl and I'm not gonna take it. He was like, completely denying, and he was like feeling bad about it, like it's like you think. But the nurse, though it wasn't her profession, it was the profession of the cleaning staff, but and that guy was just a patient for her, right? But what she did, she just did the whole thing by herself. Why? Because she loved to serve people, right? Even if he was her patient, right, that patient is like not going to remember her name also, but still she did it just because she loved her profession. And we, like as a people, like as a society also, we must start respecting this profession, as we are not having that kind of ability, at least for now. We aren't even thinking about this profession a lot. We have been praising the doctors about everything, okay? But let me tell you, if you'll ask the doctor also now, they will also give the credits to these, they will also praise the nurses as well. So we as an individual, as a society, we also start looking at this profession in a different prospect. We must start thinking, like, at least we must start sending our loved ones into this profession, right? So yeah, this was the whole, I just felt it, I just thought of shooting it. Yeah, so thank you so much. If you loved it, if you liked it, you can share it. If you don't like it, don't share it. Thank you so much.